Hi, fourth grade. It's Miss Kovarik. I'm here with your science lesson today. I've got my coffee. Instant teacher just had coffee. My students know how true that is. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you got your device okay, and if you didn't, well, you won't be seeing this. um, so if you obviously already know by now, every day we'll be posting your math, your ELA, and your science to your Google Classroom, and then also a couple challenges. So please be sure to check it in the morning, check it throughout the day, comment, message us, video chat us on Zoom, uh, contact us in any way you need if you need help. And it's not just your own teacher. We're all in this together. We're all helping each other out. So any teacher that's available will help you out if you need help. Okay? So I have this set up so you can see my screen. So I'm on, whoops, your lesson 1 science. That's what you should be looking at right now. I am going to read the passage and then I'm going to go over the questions you're going to be answering. So let's take a look at this first one. Physical changes are all around. Matter can be changed in many ways. And how many ways can you change a piece of paper? It says, as you read, draw a line under the main idea of each paragraph. So, got my book with me. Let's read, right here is where the first starts. Think of a piece of clay. Can it be changed like paper can? If you pull bits from the clay, you change its size. If you flatten the clay, you change its shape. The size or shape may be different, but it is still clay. Changing size and shape is a physical change. So we're not talking about changing paper into something else. We're simply changing how the paper looks. So this is the definition. A physical change is a change in which a new substance is not formed. So right here, there's your definition. You can scratch a piece of clay until it is rough. It has a new texture, but it is still clay. You can add bits to it, it is heavier, but adding clay does not make it a new substance. Changing a physical property, such as size, shape, texture, or mass, is a physical change. And we actually learned about some of these other properties as well, so let's review those really quickly. What's this one? So properties of matter. A property is a trait that tells you something about an object. So that could be the color, texture, hardness. It can be flexibility. How much can you stretch it? It can be reflectiveness. Is it shiny? Can you see something in it? And it can be texture. How does it feel? We mentioned that up there, but these pictures all really show how does that object feel? How is it when you touch it? Is it rough? Is it fuzzy? Is it bumpy? So when we are changing something that is a physical property, we're changing how it looks. We're changing something about its appearance. Okay? All right. So now you're going to answer these 4 questions. There are 2 written response and 2 multiple choice. So on the 2 first written response, please make sure that you are restating. You're answering the question. You're going back into that text if you need to find the answer if you don't know. So you're going to tell me what are some ways that you can make a physical change to a piece of string. So what could you do to a piece of string to make it look physically different? What property could you change? Number 2, look at the red paper crane. Describe the physical change. So you're going to go up here, look at this paper crane, and tell me what was changed. What did this person do? What property was changed when they did this to the crane? Started out as a flat piece of paper. They folded it into a crane. What property was that? So you're going to tell me the physical change was this. The property changed was this. Which choice is not a physical change? You're going to read each one. Tell me which one is not a physical change. Crumpling up a piece of paper, so crumpling it. Burning a piece of paper. Ripping a paper in half. Painting a piece of paper. Which one is not a physical change? And then the last one, which property is changed when someone drops and breaks a glass on the floor? So imagine you just dropped a glass on the floor. It shatters into a bunch of pieces. What property did you just change? Shape, size, texture, or mass. All right, so that is it for science today. We're going to be reviewing the next day, and then later this week we're going to be taking our matter assessment. We've been learning it for a while, and we're going to move on to our next unit, which is energy. Sorry about all that noise. I have my window open, letting in some fresh air. I hope you all get some fresh air today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't go into big gatherings. Stay away from lots of people. Just stay safe these next few weeks. We need you healthy when we come back. Okay? Again, if you have any questions, reach out to the teacher. Look at that video call schedule. See who's on their video call at that time. And we are here to help you. Bye, guys.